Check out this Procharged, guys. Boss 302. It's okay, it's okay. Ford F-150, FX4. You're gonna be working on this beast next. Look at that, guys. Ooh, baby. Raw horsepower right there. Check it out. All right, guys, we got a 2012 Ford F-150. It's Procharged. I just showed you guys the motor. We'll have a clip of the motor in there. It's got a Boss 302 in it. Anyways, what we got done on it, he has long tube headers there and there. And then it's ran 3-inch pipe, and we started right here. So we went ahead and put on it 2 Flowmaster Outlaws, part number 15430s right there. And to add a little bit of back pressure for it, we put 2.5-inch tailpipes out the back on each side there, because Procharged is like a little bit of low end. So this should help with it. As you guys can see, custom bent all the way across. And then into 2 5-inch rolled tips there and there by 18s. All right, we'll have a link in the description for everything we can get for you guys. Let it idle down, wait, don't rev it. Got a nice idle to it too. All right, go ahead and rev it now. You're on the inside. Enjoy, guys.